This is your fuel tank. Your entire energy system relies on it. But are you sure it will function properly in an emergency? Many companies invest millions in emergency systems, generators, synchronizing mechanisms, monitoring, and infrastructure. But these all become useless and redundant when the fuel in your tank is contaminated. Since 2009, most of the world has switched over to sulfur-free fuel, and chemical processes that did not pose a problem until 2009 are now developing and causing tremendous damage to engines and their fuel systems. Let's see what's happening inside your fuel tank. Your fuel tank breathes, with air entering it through a hose so as to enable unlimited emptying and refilling. This breather hose lets in humid air that is contaminated with dust and various particles. Differences in temperature cause the humid air to condense, turning it into droplets that cling to the sides of the tank. The water clinging to the sides of the tank cause the tank to corrode. Then, the water and rust sink inside the tank, creating a chemical process that uses the additives in the fuel, causes oxidation, and significantly reduces the fuel's energy efficiency. Some of the water is absorbed by the fuel, and the rest sinks to the bottom of the tank, creating a bottom layer of water, which allows for a biological process that severely damages the fuel and almost instantly damages the engine. Bacteria create an opaque layer that clogs the engine's original filters and thus enable the free passage of all pollutants through the internal bypass of the filter into the engine. In many cases, the bacteria settle on the fuel tubing and the engine's internal passages, restricting flow and reducing engine power. Thus, without your noticing, a process develops that crashes your system just when you need it most. At the moment of truth, there is no power. With 20 years of experience in tribology, handling oils and fuels in the world's most challenging locations, from African mines to power station emergency tanks, Kbh Power is proud to present its new line of fuel tank maintenance systems. Kbh Power systems are the result of many years of development. Utilizing all our knowledge and experience in the field, we have created an intelligent system, fully automated, with near zero maintenance, that can monitor water or particle irregularities in real time. The system is highly leak-proof, heavy-duty, and resistant to environmental damage for many years. It keeps the fuel and the fuel tank clear, fresh, and ready to use whenever you need them. No nasty surprises, no unexpected failures. The system maintains the fuel's caloric value over years, saves gas during generator operation, saves on periodic tank cleaning, and saves on fuel loss during tank cleanup. It connects directly to the local control room or your own phone via GPRS. Connects simply and easily to your gas tank, and operates simply, intuitively, and automatically. Most importantly, you know that if you have a Kbh Power system installed, you can sleep easy because you've turned your weakest link into your strongest. Kbh Power has worked for over 20 years in the field of fuels, oils, and machine and engine wear and tear. Our company's vision is to provide our customers with a quality product that gives them high value for their money and confidence in their energy systems.